Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson. Lesson number 5, water for every household. Okay. Let's have a quick revision of what we have learned in the last video. Okay, we learned about different containers. Yes, remember? And then we learned about that water does not become stale. Okay, then we saw an experiment to understand how water is distributed to several places on the same time with the help of pipes in a same building. Okay, this we have seen. Okay, now today we are going to learn water supply for a human settlement. That means those people who do not live in buildings, who live in villages, okay, who do not have taps at their houses. How do this kind of people get water? Okay, now they get water from different sources of water. Okay, now what are the different sources of water we have learned? Yes, river, reservoirs, spring, pond, well, lake and stream. These are all sources of water from where people living in villages, they get water. Okay, who do not live in buildings, who do not have taps at their home, they get water from these sources. Okay, now let's read this. They are often at long distances from our houses. Okay, now these people have to go away, at long distances away from their houses to get water for their daily use, for drinking purposes. Okay, but can you say that the water which you are taking from a source of water which is far away from your house, is it potable? Is it safe for drinking? No, we cannot say that such kind of water is potable. Okay, now see here, it is difficult to collect water from such distant places. Yes, of course, it is very difficult to collect water from distant places because all the way you have to go walking, you have to fill in, and it is so heavy. The container becomes so heavy to bring back filled with water. Okay, and besides, as I told you, we cannot be sure that the water can be used as it is for drinking. Okay, we cannot be sure that such water is safe for drinking. So what does these people do? That is why a large water source is identified near a settlement. So what people begin to do after facing such problem? Okay, what did they do? They identified a large source of water near a settlement where they had their settlement, where they used to live. Okay, and they used pipes, large pipes. Okay, then they invented pipes. Man only invented these pipes. Okay, water from it is brought, let's read. Water from it is brought through large pipes. From where? From the source of water which we have identified. From there they connect pipes. Okay, can you see in the picture? Water source they have found out, river, and they have built a dam also on that, and they have connected pipes. Okay, with the help of large pipes. Okay, which they have connected. Water from it is brought through large pipes to a common place. Okay, from that source water is brought to a common place near the settlement. Okay, there the water is made safe for drinking, and there is a machine or you can say a plant is there, machinery or factory type thing is there, which makes the water safe for drinking. What is this called? This is called purification of water. That means making water pure for drinking. Separating the impure things from the water is called as purification of water. Okay. Now after making the water pure, what was done to make the water reach the house of people? Yes, arrangements were made. Okay, different arrangements are made to distribute this water all over the town or city. This is called distribution of water. Okay, the arrangements, you have to learn this. This is a meaning of distribution of water. Okay, this is a new term which we are learning here, distribution of water. When you make arrangements for distributing the water all over the town or city, that is called as distribution of water. Okay, what we have learned today? Purification of water and distribution of water, and water supply for human settlement. Okay, how people in the earlier time used to struggle to get water from these sources of water, and now how people have invented pipes. Okay, and how they have made arrangements to bring the water to a common place. Yes. So this much only for today, students. Thank you so much, students. Do like, comment and share for more videos. And do not forget to subscribe my channel.